Alright, so I told myself I wasn't gonna make a video like this. Most people say when you're starting a YouTube channel, skip the introductions and go straight to pushing out content. But I guess I'm not the type of person to do something in the conventional way anyway. So I'd like this video to serve as a quick introduction for my channel, to share my broad goals, and to address what you can expect while I jump off on this journey that I'm sharing with all of you. At its heart and soul, I want Plated by Paul to revolve around the food, but not in the conventional means for a traditional cooking YouTube channel. Yes, by all means, I will be sharing the occasional recipe, walking you through processes step by step to make some really great food. But more so, I'd like Plated by Paul to serve as a place we can create conversations around food, grow our appreciation for it, and better understand its importance in our lives. Which brings me to a point I want to address off the bat. Yes, I do work in a kitchen for my day job, but by no means do I consider myself any sort of food professional in the industry. I can absolutely say I know more than the average person about technique, plating, flavor profiling, creative process, and most other aspects of food. But I'm still learning, and I'm absolutely a student of my trade. But that being said, I like to try and learn something new every day and grow my capacity for thoughtfulness, intention, and perspective when it comes to food and cooking. And because of that, I believe I have a lot I can share with you. And I hope the video ideas I share with you will help bring value into your life. So you can think of this project as cooking from a self-development perspective. And I truly hope you can use my work as a means to grow your knowledge, creativity, passion, and to start forming some sort of philosophy about what food might mean to you as an individual, which is something I think is truly important. Now, I consume a pretty large amount of content when it comes to YouTube, Instagram, books, and all other means you can think of. And part of what I'm doing is crafting this channel to create the content that I want to see. And needless to say, this entire endeavor is a tried and true passion project. I'm funding it completely myself. So whether you're new to cooking or not, I'd like to meet you where you're at to provide real life skills instead of flashy and fancy recipes with equipment and ingredients you're only going to use once or twice before you forget about them. I'm sure this whole journey is going to be truly exciting, eye-opening, and mind-expanding for not only myself, but hopefully for you as well. So if any of this resonates with you, if you're feeling excited by what I hope to offer and looking forward to what I release, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. And I hope to be releasing content very, very soon. Also, if you have any questions for me or ideas on topics you'd like to see covered or videos you'd like to see made, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you all, stay safe, stay humble, and I'm wishing you all a beautiful year.